Hey guys, it's Megan. So in today's video, I'll be doing the style challenge. This is a challenge where you try to draw yourself in different cartoon styles, and I'll be doing 6 styles in today's video. I just bought this new sketchbook from Amazon, and I was really excited to start filling it up. I want to make this into sort of a series on my channel where I just draw in my sketchbook and take you guys along with me. And I really love watching these types of videos, especially these challenge videos, and I definitely want to do more art challenges. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. I've never actually filled a whole entire sketchbook before, so I thought that making videos about it would motivate me to actually finish it this time. I really want to get into doing more original artwork rather than just copying a picture from the internet like I usually do. And I thought that this would be a good warm-up exercise because I still have a picture to use for reference, but I'll have to change some of the features to make it look like me. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. So I started out by dividing my paper into 6 different sections, and you can divide your paper into as many sections as you'd like. And in this video, I decided to include the sketching process of my drawings because in my Wreck This Journal videos, a lot of people, they'll comment like, oh my gosh, you like trace that. And so I included this to show you guys that there is actually a bunch of sketching and erasing that goes into my drawings. I normally just leave the sketching out because it saves time and it also saves my camera battery. So comment down below if you guys would like me to include the sketching process in future videos. So anyways, this first drawing that I'm doing is me as a Powerpuff Girl. And this one was a really easy one, and I decided to do this as a warm-up kind of one because they have a website called powerpuffyourself.com where I created my own Powerpuff character a couple years ago maybe, and I had this actually I think is my profile picture for a while. And so here's what I would look like as a Powerpuff Girl. And for some reason, I just really find the Powerpuff Girls easy and fun to draw. It's probably because I've been drawing them since I was about 4 years old. This was seriously my favorite show when I was little. Although I kind of wish that I would have made her in a purple Powerpuff Girl outfit instead of this like jean jacket outfit that I made on the Powerpuff Yourself website, and you guys will see why later, but pretty much I colored like all of the other characters purple. But here's what I would look like if I was a Powerpuff Girl. So the next drawing that I decided to do was me as a character from the Fairly OddParents. And for this picture, I pretty much just looked at a reference photo of Wanda from the Fairly OddParents, and I changed the hair and the color of the shirt and just like a few other things. And I also tried to give her glasses, but the glasses honestly, like you can't really tell that she even has glasses because her eyes are so close together. I mean, maybe you can, but I don't know. And one of the problems that I ran into when I was drawing these characters is that in a lot of the shows, there aren't really any characters with curly hair. I mean, maybe I just missed something, but in the Fairly OddParents, I don't think that there's really any character with curly hair, so I just had to kind of imagine what it would look like if the curly hair was done in the Fairly OddParents animation style. And for some reason, the clips of me coloring this didn't import to my computer correctly, but anyways, here's what I would look like if I was in the Fairly OddParents. The next cartoon style I decided to try was Rugrats. And again, with this clip, for some reason, like my camera is just messed up, guys. I really need to break down and actually buy a new camera, but I'm just way too cheap. And when drawing this character, I made it kind of a mixture between Chucky because of the glasses and Angelica because, I mean, she's a girl. And I also tried to do my own style of wavy hair as I would imagine it would look in the Rugrats. And this was the point where my camera pretty much just stopped working. So here is the finished version of me as a Rugrats character and also me as a Peanuts character. And with the Peanuts character, I'm not gonna lie, I totally went on the Peanutize Me website and made a Peanuts version of myself. And next, I decided to draw myself as a character from My Little Pony. And I never really watched this as a kid, actually. My sister was really into it, though. But I do think that they're really cute. So I just went ahead and I drew a My Little Pony character. And this one I based off of Pinkie Pie because she has curly hair. And My Little Pony characters, they're like outline, it's done in the same color as like the color that they are instead of black. So I went ahead and outlined the drawing with some Crayola markers. And again, I just colored that in with some colored pencils, and all of these drawings were colored in with my Prismacolor colored pencils. And I made her purple because obviously that's my favorite color, and I gave her brown hair like I have. And for her cutie mark, I went ahead and I drew a paint palette because, I don't know, I'm just a crafty person. And I decided not to give the My Little Pony character glasses. One, because I was afraid that I would mess up the drawing, and also because none of the My Little Pony characters have glasses, and pretty much if you're a pony and you can't see, like, you're kind of just SOL, so yeah, I just didn't draw glasses. And here's what she looked like when she was done. I colored most of the body with a light purple, but for the back legs I colored them with a dark purple to make it look like there was a shadow there. And I think she came out pretty cute. And the last character that I decided to draw on this page was me as a character from Arthur. And this one was actually so easy. All I had to do was draw Arthur and then like give him hair to make it look like me. And honestly, I watched this show so much as a kid because we didn't have cable, which like I'm totally showing my age by saying that because like now that's not really even an option. I mean, I guess it is if you just get Netflix, but like we didn't have Netflix back then. And I would always watch PBS Kids when I came home from school, and Arthur would always be on. So that's probably the show that I watched most when I was a kid. And I thought about putting my Arthur character in a dress like Muffy from the series, but then I realized that Muffy's dress is basically the one that I drew for the Rugrats character, so I decided to give my Arthur character a sweater like he wears. And then I just went ahead and colored my Arthur character in. And I made the glasses and shirt purple and the hair brown. And to finish the piece, I went over the lines that I drew to separate the characters with a purple Crayola marker, and I used that same marker to write which show each character was from. And so here's how the finished page turned out. I had so much fun doing this page, and I really want to do more of these. In fact, I've already started a second one. And if you guys have any suggestions for characters that I should draw myself as, leave them in the comments below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. It is @WellerMegs, and yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!